Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Tech Talks EC22. Today we are going to study about access methods. In the last video I had shared information regarding the file concepts, and today I'm going to share the information regarding the access methods, the various access methods which we use to access the files. Let's start with it. The first access method, as you all are seeing on the screen, that is the sequential access method. What is this sequential access method? Information in the file is processed in order, one record after the other. This mode of access is by far the most common, and for example editors, compilers usually access files in this fashion. So what is this all about? Let me give you an example. Assume that you are having a book, and in that book only the topic names are mentioned but page numbers are not mentioned. So if you want to access any of the topic which you are interested into, what you need to do is you need to access that particular page. You need to keep on searching for that page one after the other. So in between, so you will be accessing that particular file after accessing the topics one by one. So it is not a direct access, it is a sequential access. So one record after the other you are going to access, then only you are going to reach your destination, that is the topic which you want. So in the same way, the information in the file is processed in order, whether it is required or not, it doesn't matter, but uh, the process, okay, the process is done in that order. The next the next access method is the direct access method. Here a file is made up of a fixed length logical records that allow programs to read and write records rapidly in no particular order. For example, if you want to write any logical piece of a program, or any piece of program, okay, you can directly access that particular location and insert your code there. So there is no particular order. Again, considering the example of the book, okay, so this is in the direct access, this is a book which is having the page numbers as well. So if you want to access any of the particular information, then you can directly access that information by referring to the page number. Directly you can turn that page number and you can just access the information. So the direct access method is based on a disk model of file. So since disk allows random access to any file block, this is having a disk model. As you can see on the screen, so this is a sequential file access. As you can see, the current position is there, and either we can move forward or we can rewind. So the basic example which is given here is the read or write. So whatever read and write option our programs perform, so that is all based on this particular sequential file access. So there is a small comparison. This is a simulation of a sequential access on direct file access. As you can see, on to your left hand side there is a sequential access, and there are three things which are written. First is the reset, read next, and write next. So these are the three options in the sequential access, and how you are going to implement these three actions using direct access. As you can see, a small code, a small code kind of thing is written here. CP is equal to 0, that is the current position, and if we want to read the next in the direct access, what do? We write as a read CP, that is the read the current position, and then increment the current position by one particular place. And if we want to write something, so we need to write the current position, then increment the current position by one place. So this is how sequential access is simulated on a direct access file. So this is what you can see, the example of index and the relative files. For example, the last name of the particular people is given, and this is the index and this is the relative. And as you can see the last names, if I want to access the record of Smith, so this Smith, okay, is having the data such as the social security number and the age. So this is accessed just by using the index Just by using the index we can access the relative file as well. This is what I had for you guys. So thanks for watching, and wish you all a very happy learning time. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel Tech Talks EC22. Thank you.